My sketchbook lay open, its pristine pages mocking my emptiness. Ideas, once a rushing river, had dwindled to a stagnant pool. The familiar tools felt foreign in my hand, the vibrant colors dulled to shades of gray. I was trapped, imprisoned by the suffocating grip of creative block. Like a writer facing a blank page, the fear of failure loomed large, casting a long shadow over my artistic spirit. Every artist, at some point, encounters this formidable foe. The once clear path becomes shrouded in mist, the destination lost in the fog of uncertainty. We question our abilities, our confidence shaken by the echoing whispers of self-doubt. The vibrant hues of our imagination seem to fade, leaving us grasping at straws, desperate to reignite the creative spark. But within this struggle, a valuable lesson awaits. For it is in the depths of our creative drought that we are forced to confront our fears, to acknowledge the voices of self-doubt that whisper in our ears. This confrontation, though daunting, is an essential step towards artistic liberation. We must remember that creativity, like any other skill, requires constant nurturing and exploration. It demands that we venture outside our comfort zones, embrace the unknown, and silence the inner critic that seeks to hold us back. Fear, a constant companion on the creative journey, can manifest in countless forms. There's the fear of judgment, the crippling worry that our work won't live up to the expectations of others. We envision harsh critiques, our creations dismissed as amateurish or uninspired. This fear, if left unchecked, can paralyze us, preventing us from ever sharing our unique vision with the world. Then there's the fear of failure, the insidious belief that we lack the talent or skill to succeed. We compare ourselves to others, our perceived shortcomings magnified in the distorting mirror of self-doubt. We focus on our mistakes, each imperfection a testament to our supposed inadequacy. This fear of failure can be particularly debilitating, leading us to abandon projects before they even begin. We convince ourselves that it's better to not try at all than to risk falling short of our own expectations, let alone the perceived expectations of others. But what if we were to reframe our perspective on failure? What if, instead of viewing it as an ending, we saw it as an integral part of the creative process? The art world, for all its beauty and diversity, can sometimes feel like a gilded cage. We are surrounded by masterpieces, each brushstroke a testament to the skill and vision of the artists who came before us. While inspiring, this legacy can also feel like a heavy weight upon our shoulders. We are taught the rules, the techniques, the established styles that have stood the test of time. We learn to appreciate the classics, to recognize the hallmarks of different movements and schools of thought. But this immersion in tradition, while essential, can also lead to a stifling sense of conformity. We may feel pressure to adhere to certain standards, to create work that aligns with established norms. We may shy away from experimentation, afraid to deviate from the tried and true. This fear of straying from the beaten path can stifle our creativity, preventing us from discovering our own unique artistic voice. But what if we were to challenge these assumptions? What if we dared to question the very definition of art itself? The world is our canvas, and its materials are as limitless as our imagination. To break free from the constraints of tradition, we must be willing to embrace the unconventional, to see the artistic potential in the everyday and the overlooked. Cast off the shackles of convention and explore the world with fresh eyes. Look beyond the tubes of paint and pristine canvases. Venture into the world of found objects where discarded items transform into artistic treasures. A rusty cog becomes a sculpture, a weathered piece of driftwood a testament to the passage of time. The textures of life itself become our palette: rough-hewn wood, smooth river stones, delicate lace, and coarse burlap. Each material whispers its own story, waiting for us to listen and give it new life through our art. Don't be afraid to experiment, to combine the unexpected, and to push the boundaries of what's considered art.